Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a very beautiful stitch for blanket. It's super simple and easy to make, and I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a DK weight cotton yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, you can make your base chain according to the desired size. You need multiple of 4 plus 3 base chain for this project. I am going to make 31 base chain, 28 multiple of 4 plus 3. But you can make this chain according to the multiple of 4 plus 3 according to the length you want for your blanket. So start with chain 1 and go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn. Then pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then go into the next chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 2. Again repeat the same process. Go into the next chain and make single crochet 3. Into the next chain, single crochet 4. Into the next chain, single crochet 5. So simply make one single crochet stitch into every stitch and complete 31 single crochet stitches. So after completing your 31 single crochet stitches, for second row make chain 4. After making chain 4, turn your work. Our first 3 chains are counted as our double crochet stitch and our chain 1 is extra, so skip this second stitch here and go into this third stitch by wrapping the yarn and then pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the next single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make single crochet double crochet 2. Then repeat the same pattern into the next single crochet stitch, make double crochet 3. So after making 3 double crochet stitches, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and through these 3 double crochet stitches, grab the yarn and pull the yarn and then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch like this. And then skip one single crochet stitch, go into the next single crochet stitch and make double crochet 1. Into the next one, double crochet 2. Into the next one, double crochet 3. And then wrap the yarn and then pull the yarn through these 3 double crochet stitches and then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to complete our double crochet stitch. It's a kind of post stitch method. We are not going into any stitch. Instead of going into any stitch, we are going through the space of these 3 double crochet stitches for our 4th stitch. So again complete 3 double crochet stitches, and for the fourth one, by wrapping the yarn, go through these 3 double crochet stitches and make a double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern till the end, and after completing, skip this second last single crochet stitch and go into this last single crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch to finish this row. Now we are going to repeat our single crochet row for our third row. So make chain 1 and turn your work, go into the very first double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make your first single crochet stitch, then go into this next double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch, then into the next one make a single crochet stitch, then into the next one make a single crochet stitch, then into the next one make a single crochet stitch. So simply make one single crochet stitch into every stitch, don't skip any stitch. And after completing, go into this fourth chain and make single crochet, then into this third chain and make a single crochet. So now we are having total of 31 single crochet stitches as we are having for our first row. Now we are going to repeat our second row for our fourth row. So repeat this row, start with chain 4 again. After making chain 4, turn your work. Our first 3 chains are counted as our first double crochet stitch again, and our chain 1 is extra, so skip this second single crochet stitch and go into this third single crochet stitch and make double crochet 1, into the next double crochet 2, into the next double crochet 3, now after completing 3 double crochet stitches for the fourth double crochet stitch, wrap the yarn and go through the 3 double crochet stitches and pull the yarn and then make a double crochet stitch. So skip one single crochet stitch, into the next one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, into the next stitch and double crochet 3 into the next stitch. So after completing 3 double crochet stitches, wrap the yarn and go through these stitches and pull the yarn and complete your fourth double crochet stitch here. Then again skip this next single crochet stitch and into the very next make double crochet 1, into the next stitch double crochet 2, into the next stitch double crochet 3, now again wrap the yarn and make your fourth double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through these 3 double crochet stitches. Repeat the same pattern till the end of the row, and after completing your fourth row, for the fifth row again we are going to repeat our first row. So make chain 1, turn your work and make your first single crochet stitch into the very first double crochet stitch, then single crochet 2 into the next, single crochet 3 into the next, single crochet 4 into the next, single crochet 5 into the next, and complete your 31 single crochet stitches. After completing 31 single crochet stitches, Now we are going to repeat our second row again. So start with chain 4 again and turn your work, skip your second single crochet stitch and go into the third single crochet stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. After completing 3 double crochet stitches, make your fourth double crochet stitch like this. Again skip one stitch into the next 3 single crochet stitches, make 3 double crochet stitches and then make your fourth double crochet stitch through these 3 double crochet stitches. Repeat the same pattern till the end of the row and then again make a single crochet row. You can repeat these 2 rows again and again until you reach the desired size. So this is a very simple and easy blanket stitch, and so it's a very beautiful textured pattern. I hope you guys like this pattern. If you like this pattern, please try this pattern in baby blankets especially. You can make a rectangular piece or even a square piece blanket from this pattern, so must try. I hope you guys like this pattern, so must try. And if you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.